Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today, I'm going to be talking about 3 penny stocks that you guys should have on your watch list. So stick around until the end. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Also, if you are planning to switch platforms, Webull is currently offering 2 free stocks right now. One when you sign up and one more when you deposit $100. You can always take that money back when you get your free stocks. If you are interested, I will go ahead and leave my link down below. The first penny stock I'm going to talk about is Nokia. Ticker symbol is NOK. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Nokia already because of Wall Street bets. And the stock closed at 470 yesterday, but we can see just last week it went to a high of 979. And that day had a lot of volume and a lot of buying pressure. But since then, the stock price went below $5 again. If you don't know what Nokia is, they are a leading vendor in the telecommunications equipment industry. The company's network business derives revenue from selling wireless and fixed line hardware, software, and services. Nokia's technology segment licenses its patent portfolio to handset manufacturer and makes royalties from Nokia branded cell phones. The company is headquartered in Espoo, Finland, and operates on a global scale with most of its revenue from communication service providers. They are one of the top 5G leading companies. 5G is going to be huge this year. 5G, the 5th generation of mobile networking technology, has been one of the most awaited telecommunications endeavors. With its 10 to 100 times faster data rates than 4G and LTE speeds, this cellular technology would help improve the connectivity, empower new and emerging applications, and improve the performances of IoT devices with the increased latency and bandwidth. And that is what Nokia is focusing on. Just the other day, Nokia announced that it has reached 100 million fiber broadband shipments. This marks another milestone for Nokia in the North America fiber market after achieving world first for large GPON deployments, gigabit cities, and 10 gigabit rollouts. Nokia is powering the advanced fiber broadband networks in North America, partnering with CityNets, regional operators, utilities, major service providers, and other broadband providers. 7 out of every 10 fiber homes in the US served with Nokia solutions. Nokia has a lot of growth potential this year and the upcoming years. I can see Nokia going to at least $10 by the end of this year. Also, they have earnings today, so keep a lookout on that. If it does well, I can see this stock going above $5. The second penny stock I'm going to talk about is Canfights Biopharma. The stock closed at $2.10. The company is a developer of therapeutics for use in cancer treatment, inflammatory diseases, and sexual dysfunction disorders. It currently has several drugs in its pipeline. This includes its lead candidate known as CF101, which is in a phase 3 trial to see its efficacy in treating arthritis. February 1st, the company announced that it had completed a set of studies to see if CBD-rich T3C15 cannabis fraction includes an effect on liver fibrosis. The company is utilizing compounds from the cannabis plant to see if it can heal liver inflammation. Dr. Fishman, the CEO of Canfights, stated that this data, together with our unparalleled expertise in the development of liver fatty disease therapeutics that targets A3AR, enable Canfights to contribute to unlocking the vast potential of cannabis-derived compounds for the effective treatment of this pathological condition. Definitely keep this on your watch list, guys. I can see this going to at least $5, especially that their lead candidate, the CF101, is in their phase 3 trial. Penny stock I want to talk about is Tetra Technologies. The stock closed at $2.08, and the other day it went to a high of $2.15. Company is well known in the energy and fluids industry. It has quite a broad market in which it operates. It includes producing oil and gas services, additives for use in oil production, and blowback services. These services are offered around the US and South America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. As a gas company, Tetra Technologies has a great deal of exposure to increased demand for fossil fuel energy. Many investors believe that energy industry could continue to see a boost. On Monday, Tetra announced that it had regained compliance with the New York Stock Exchange minimum average closing price requirements of $1. This is great news for investors, as being delisted is not ideal for any publicly traded company. Also, Tetra had recently announced that it had divested its interest in CSI Compressco LP and related assets. This divestment should bring in roughly $30.7 million. The CEO of Tetra, Brady Murphy, states that the Tetra board and management team continues to focus on taking the necessary actions to unlock shareholder value. Tetra continues to perform well in difficult market conditions. Since the energy industry is a very hot sector, you guys should definitely keep this on your watch list. I can see this going to at least $10 if the momentum continues for the sector by the end of this year. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got this far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.